In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a file from Google Drive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working from home, at the office, or simply need to print a document on the go, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. To get started, open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you normally use. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the search bar at the top and type in Google Drive. Hit Enter, and you'll see a list of search results. You're going to want to click on the first link at the top of the results, or alternatively, look for the URL that begins with drive.google.com/drive quota for direct access. Once you've reached the Google Drive homepage, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This typically involves entering your email address and password associated with your Google account. Don't worry if you've forgotten your information. There are helpful prompts to guide you through retrieving a forgotten password or email. Once you're logged into Google Drive, you'll see a list of your files and folders. Browse through to find the specific file you need to print. When you locate the file, double-click on it. This will open the document in a new tab or window, providing you with a full view of its contents. With the document open, turn your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll find a menu bar, and you'll want to click on File. This will drop down a menu with several options. Now, from this menu, select Print. You can also select the printer icon visible in the toolbar just above your document as a quick alternative. This handy shortcut is great if you're familiar with it and looking to save time. After clicking Print, a new dialog box will appear. This is where we will configure our print settings. You'll be facing several printing options. Choose the destination, which is typically your connected printer. However, if you want to save the document instead of printing it, you could select Save as PDF. You can also adjust other settings such as the number of copies you wish to print and the page range. This allows you to only print certain pages if that's all you need. Once you're happy with your selected print settings and you've double-checked everything, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click on Print. A small reassurance message might pop up, confirming your print job has been sent to the printer. And there you have it. That's how you print a file from Google Drive. It's simple, straightforward, and with just a few clicks, you'll have your document ready in physical form. Be sure to have your printer turned on and connected to ensure everything goes smoothly. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.